you how to use WhenIwork. Now, the only thing you need to do, because your profile is already there in the system, so the only thing that you need to do is just to focus on the attendance. As you see here, you have these three options: my schedule, team schedule, time attendance. So the attendance, you have the timesheet and the clocking. Now, when you're having a lesson, all you need to just do is maybe you open it on your phone or your computer. Then you can just go in here. This is currently available on the computer. You just click on clock in. You don't have to. You just click clock in. It clocks you in. You select your position, piano teacher. If you want to add a note, you can say teaching Mufe, for example, and then you say clocking. That is done. You are clocked in. And the only other option that you're going to see here is clock out, or you can take lunch. If I want to take lunch or you want to take a break, you can say take lunch. You've worked 0 minutes, start break. So if there is a break between, this is the way you do it. So that way, everything is automatically recorded in the system. And when it's time for payroll, for us to do the payment, we already have automatically, we can calculate the amount of time. All right. So, and if you want to take time off, let's say you want to take time off, so it's easy for you to just go in here and click on take time off. So take time off, you click here. So you take time off, you select, paid holiday, personal. So, and then you say from what day, from 3rd of April to 15th of April, and then you put the message. I am preparing for exam. Okay, that's how you do it. You send a request, and then admin, you see, time off. So the admin will be able to see it. Okay, so thank you very much, everyone. Make sure that we take advantage of this and use WhenIwork. Again, this is WhenIwork. And then if you have to chat, you have the chat option there, and the request time off request. You see your co-workers, you want to see your co-workers. So there are many options that is there. Sometimes it doesn't show them because you don't have them. And then for your availability, you can go in here and click on your availability. And then you see your availability. So this is, I know it's a little bit extra work, but this way everything is going to be accurate. We don't have to be asking you to send in your hours. We can pick everything up in the back end. And then when it's time for payment, it's automatically done through direct deposit. You see your availability. So if you want to change your availability, you just go in here and say hard preference. Availability, okay, add preference. So you can say, it's very easy. I'm unavailable to work. I prefer to work. So you say, I'm unavailable to work from 9 a.m. to, you can click to 3:30 p.m. So does that repeat every day? You can click on the number of days that is available, that you are not going to be available. And then you select when it's going to end, maybe till the end of April, and then you say this. In this way, everybody is able to, you see, it puts when you are not available there. And then you want to put your preference again, you go add preference. When I'm going to work, okay? You say, so here we can sync it with our scheduling app and system. So you say, I prefer to work from, maybe you want to work from 4 p.m. to like 7:45. That's when I'm available. Okay. So you say, does that repeat? Okay. Only on Wednesday. Only on this. You do it. You put it in. So that availability, you can do it. And it's going to be easy for everybody. You save it. This is when you want to work. And then where do you want it to end? Um, Maybe you want the availability. So then you see, for availability is green, and for not available is it. So if everybody can do this, it's going to be easy, way easy for us to be able to pick it up and do the job most efficiently. Thank you.